grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your Vitamin G Conversations with Kendall.
Great grind day, great grind day. This is your daily grind. Listen, people ask me all the time because, they hear me say, how much I used to drink and I was an alcoholic. And I tell people, I really didn't know I was an alcoholic probably until last year. All the years of drinking, all the years of abuse and addiction, I didn't really accept being an alcoholic until maybe a year or so ago. But then once I realized, I was an alcoholic. I didn't just drink too much. I literally was an alcoholic. It was an addiction that I had, and it was stopping me from growing, stopping me from going, and it was stopping me from developing. I would go in the bar and sit all night, leave the bar, go home, sit in my garage, and drink for the rest of the night, and then get rid of, I'm telling you, it was killing me. And so when people hear me say that was something that I did, something that I went through, they always ask me, how did I come through it? One thing that I did, I didn't go to AA, and I'm not saying don't go, that may work for you. What I did was I replaced one addiction for another obsession. I'm gonna say that again. I replaced my addiction with an obsession. I have become obsessed with being who I'm supposed to be. So whatever addiction that you have, whatever it is that you're trying to stop doing, you gotta make sure that you start doing something else. You gotta make sure that you replace that addiction. I replaced drinking with taking care of my body health-wise. I replaced drinking with building my business. I replaced drinking with helping people get to their next level. So if you want to go ahead and take your life to the next level, you got to kill those addictions. You got to replace one with the other. Y'all have a great grind day. We'll talk soon.